Nearly two-thirds of job seekers use AI to personalize their applications, and many companies are turning to machines to handle the influx of resumes. Authenticity in a process which is driven by machine is now the actual challenge. We decode that and more in this next report. Take a look.
Applying for a job has always required extensive preparation and planning. It is common for candidates to dedicate many days to thoroughly researching the organization, perfecting their resumes, and writing cover letters. The conventional wisdom was that applicants might distinguish themselves with a well-crafted cover letter that displayed genuine interest in the role, the organization, and its culture. Today, generative artificial intelligence models produce a highly tailored cover letter in mere seconds with a click of a button. While this does cut down on prep time, it raises the larger question. With universal application tools, how will recruiters identify a genuine candidate? According to the 2025 Market Trends report published by a prominent US hiring agency, Career Group, nearly two-thirds of American job applicants are using AI to apply for jobs. Candidates use AI to create a resume and cover letter, as well as practice for interviews, navigate the job market, and enhance their headshots. The number of applications processed by HR department is nearly 3 times what it was a year ago. AI auto-apply systems that make widespread applications easier are a contributing factor to this. Easy Apply feature on platforms like LinkedIn have made it simple to submit your application. There has been a 45% increase in applications on LinkedIn compared to last year. Talent teams are now re-evaluating their processes due to the uptick in application volumes. Businesses are relying on AI to handle the sheer volume of applications. Roughly 88% of businesses currently use AI to go through applications for initial screening. Some firms have computerized first-stage interviews as well. A Boston Consulting Group analysis found that 92% of companies see more sort of advantage from AI-driven applicant matching. The analysis also showed more than 10% firms reported productivity increases of up to 80%. But balance is the key. Efficient implementation requires extensive candidate data. After all, AI is only as good as the data it is trained on. Continuous monitoring and refinement are essential to ensure it enhances fair hiring practices, rather than eroding them. The challenge for employers and applicants alike is not whether to use AI, but how to maintain authenticity. The reason? Hiring is not a transaction, it's also about building relationships. Although algorithms can rank skills and match candidates to job descriptions, they cannot fully capture personality or cultural fit. Ultimately, AI should enhance human judgment, not replace it. Those who strike the right balance between automation and human judgment will hire smarter and build stronger teams. Business Bureau, WION, World is One.